In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the notification badges on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now you might notice next to your app icon, you will see this number or dots. So those are what we call the app badges. Now if you'd like to enable or disable these app badges, all you have to do is open settings. So open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select notifications and status bar. And then within the notification settings, simply tap on badges. And then now you should see a list of all the applications that have the notification badges allowed. Now if you'd like to disable these notification badges, find the application that you'd like to disable it for. So let's say for instance, if I want to disable for App Vault, so tap on it. And then within the notification settings for that particular application, find the notification badges. So all you have to do is simply tap on that toggle switch icon, and that will disable notification badges for that particular application. Now, if you'd like to enable notification badges for specific applications, simply scroll down until you find this option or this section, notification badges aren't allowed, and find the application that you'd like to enable notification badges for. So let's say for instance, if I want to enable notification badges for this particular application, I'll simply tap on it and then find the notification badges and toggle on that switch, and that will enable notification badges for that particular application. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.